Good morning, students of class 7th. Today topic is respiration in animals. Animals have different mode of carrying out the exchange of gases. Means in the animal body there is a different methodology to carry out the exchange of gases, that is the carbon dioxide and oxygen. In cockroaches, there are the respiratory organ that are known as spiracle on the body, and a network of tubes called the trachea. The cockroach's body have the spiracles which form the trachea. The oxygen-rich air is taken by the spiracles and transported by the trachea. Firstly, the air is entered into the spiracles and then into the trachea. In the similar way, carbon dioxide is expelled or exit from the body. Now the earthworm, it is used by the most moist skin as a respiratory organ. The gases are transported in and out of its body through a system of capillaries. So in the skin there is a lot of capillaries are present which carry the oxygen from the atmosphere. Now the fishes have the, very well, fishes have the gills which are the known as the respiratory organs. Fishes, these are the supplied with the small fine hair like the structure that known as capillary, from where the exchange of gases is take place. Now the birds and mammals, they have the highly developed the respiratory organ that is known as lungs, and the respiratory system carried out by the exchange of gases. Now the respiration take place in the unicellular organisms like the amoeba and paramecium. In the unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, the cell membrane carry out by the exchange of gases like earthworm, hydra. They are also carries the out of exchange of gases through its moist skin. Means the amoeba, paramecium, these are the unicellular organisms. They have the not the well developed body like the multicellular animals. They are the exchange of gases take place by the plasma membrane of the cell. So respiratory system or respiration in the human beings, as far as concerned the respiratory system in the respiratory organs, they are the communicate with each other, form the respiratory system. In the human beings, the respiratory system in the human beings is the most abundant. It is the consist of taking in of the oxygen from the nostril, sending into the lungs and through the bronchi and trachea. Means in the human respiration there is the air, that is the oxygen, enter into the our body. This air is by the trachea, bronchi, it reaches into the lungs where the alveoli are present, which are exchange the gases of take place. Thank you.